Hey, it's Abby. I work at a makeup school, and today I'm gonna show you how I did this look, and I'm gonna show you all the products that I used. As usual, you gotta start with a primer that matches your skin type. I'm using this one from Essence, which is around 250 to 300 pesos only. Next, I'm gonna spot conceal with the SEM Pro Tip Concealer. If you're an NC 30 to 35 like me, your shade here is 2.5. This is 300 plus when you buy it from their mall, but I don't know if you've seen those shops on Shopee that sell it for 180 pesos. Meron din yan. Anyway, I love this concealer, guys. It's so easy to blend. The coverage is just right. It doesn't dry on my dry skin, so I like it. Next is another dry skin girly product, which is the Detail Fresh Filter Foundation. I realized I picked up the wrong shade. I mean from the studio, because my shade is cashew, but I accidentally brought home macadamia, but I'm gonna make it work. Also, this is the trending brush right now on TikTok. I didn't realize I had it. But yeah, that's how you use it for a minimal product application. And then this soft beauty sponge, which is only 29 pesos. I envisioned this look to be something that I would wear at the beach, so it's really thin. And then Colorette in Jordan. This is the full size. There's a mini size of this, which is only 100 plus. I'm using this as bronzer, and it's a great way to counteract how light my foundation is. And well, generally, it's a really good bronzer color for skin tones like mine. I usually put on my forehead towards my blush area and then my jaw. And then I'm going to use a coral blush. I tried my best to use all affordable products, but I couldn't find a coral blush here at home that was on the more affordable side. Anyway, this is from Rare Beauty. It is in the shade Love. Let me know if the shade Encourage is worth picking up because I really want to get it. Next, we are going to liquid highlight. We're going to use the SEM Cover Perfection Fix Sealer. So, this is in the shade 01, which is a little bit cooler than the 01, the SEM Concealer. So, I think it's really for liquid highlighting, but I love it. I bought two more. That is how good it is. There's less caking and creasing too with this product. So, go check it out, guys. And then I forgot to film the part where I was setting my face with powder because I was in a meeting while I was doing this get ready with me. So here are the Issey powder blush and bronzer inserts. This is my first time to use them and ayan siya guys. Grabe yung pigment niya in fairness. And the blush, wee! What's that sound that I just made? Anyway, also really good. I forgot how much these were. I wasn't able to get them on sale kasi kinuha ko sila sa Look, hindi sa online eh. Anyway, this is the contour in the shade Haze. And then, I'm just gonna contour my jaw. I'm not gonna contour na my cheeks. Just my jaw lang and my nose. I love this, guys. It's so good. I'm gonna contour also my lower lip. For my brows, I'm gonna use the K Palette Nuance Brow Mascara. This is my third tube of this product. I know it's a little bit up there in price point. It's 645. But then again, it's really so good. I can't find anything that would do the same thing for me at this price point. Next are the Issey Pressed Shadows. I'm not sure. Is each insert really 149 or is it 199? Anyway, by taking this dome type brush, I am able to blend the pigment into that fold more so that there's a less harsher line and so my eyes are contoured really, really well. And then I'm gonna go in with a second shade. And then, no, I didn't. I didn't go in with a second shade. No, I think I did. Did I? Or did I forget to film? Anyway, I'm gonna pack on the shimmer all over until over my fold, really near my brows. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the brown one from Vice Cosmetics. This isn't light brown-ish. In fact, if you draw it on, it's pretty dark to look like it's black. So it's perfectly fine. I attach my lashes. These are Polash in C11 and then I am using the Vice Cosmetics mascara for my lower lash line. I still really love this mascara, guys. So far, my current pick for mascara, I've been reaching out for it a lot. At this point, I'm contemplating if I'm gonna put more glitter on my lid, but I think I didn't. I should really voice over things right after I film them so I don't forget. And then here's the highlighter insert. I'm just gonna take a fan brush. I like this. This looks wet. There are no chunky particles on the palette, so I'm just applying it on my upper lip as well to balance out the contour on my lower lip. And then I am gonna use a small brush for the center of my nose. After this, I am gonna apply some on my inner corner like so. Although at this point I was applying a lot, I felt like I wasn't satisfied with it. So I think from all the face makeup inserts, I enjoyed the bronzer blush contour the most, not so much the highlighter. Anyway, we're gonna do the lip liner from NYX, my favorite shade, which is Nude Beige. This is my second. I didn't consume the first one, I lost it. Now we're gonna apply this orange velvet liquid lipstick at the center, and then I am just gonna brush that out with a concealer brush for an ombre effect. And that's it. That's our look for today. I really like it. I never thought I could like coral shades this much, but I do. I really do. So let's pop on some earrings and let's make arte arte. What do you think, guys? I can't wait to grow my hair a little bit more. Kasi bitin yung beach waves kung ganyan kaikli yung hair ko eh. But anyway, I hope you learned something. Bye!